Howdy folks, my name is Doug. Welcome to my shop. Today I'm going to demonstrate a show that I've got my Sherline 4-axis CNC system put together. I don't know if you'll remember from my first video, I had a Sherline mill sitting here, and I'd purchased the CNC conversion kit to convert it to CNC operation. It's the Sherline kit, which consisted of 3 stepper motors, the adapters, some drill guides, and the control box that plugs into a computer. I have this set up on the bench that I've always had my Sherline on. Now, if you remember, some of you may remember, I had the 8-axis conversion on the mill. I decided, after I got everything put together, that zeroing that out, tramming all the dimensions that I had to tram, there were at least 3 additional, maybe 4 things that I'd have to precision tram to get things together. So I decided convert this back into the conventional 3-axis conversion with the 4th axis as a rotary table powered. I still need to do some precision tramming. I just got this set up a couple of weeks ago, and I've been procrastinating on recording this for you guys. Sorry, I'm having to crouch down here so try to get more comfortable so I can talk a little more about it. And so I'm running the thing, device with Linux CNC. One of the areas that's kind of a little bit of a difficulty with this whole system is the Sherline kit comes with a version of Linux CNC. I'm not actually using that version. I'm using one, the latest version as of the time I downloaded it from the Linux CNC website, using the Debian Wheezy Linux distribution that came with that. I got this to work fine. I'm using an old XP desktop tower, which is underneath this on a shelf, to power the whole system. And in fact, all the computer stuff you see is just parts I had laying around. Things are a little crowded on the bench and will change as I get actually into service. But right now I've just got it barely up and functioning, and actually generating a G-code program of an object that I can actually test machine is my next step. I may be able to download one from somewhere. I'll have to look into that more, but I just thought I'd show you that it is up and running. I can adjust, it's set for right now to run the various axes. That's the x-axis, or I mean the z-axis. Can move the y-axis or x-axis. I'm getting them all confused. Don't need to do that. And there's this little program that comes in Linux CNC that I can run, and I will run here just in a minute, just so you can begin to see that it is actually functioning. In fact, I think, yeah, this is probably too slow to watch, but I'll let it go for a little bit. It's drawn an L. This is drawing a Linux of some sort. According to Linux CNC, this is just a demo of operations, not to be confused with an actual program. And here comes a curve. Keep looking away from the camera. I'm sorry about that, folks, but this, I don't know when we'll cut this. I don't know. I'm going to let it run out, and I may trim part of this out on the video or speed it up now that I figured out how to do that with my editing software. But I don't believe this is going to be fast translations, nor is it high-speed milling. I only can turn the mill spindle at up to 2,800 feet per second, or I mean RPM, and I may have to change the belt location and the pulley drives to get the 2,800 RPM. I have to look into that yet. But it is essentially a like most of the it's a little tiny VMC is what it really amounts to. So, wish I could show you that it's actually drawing something, but I guess I could have to figure out how to do a pen in this thing. So, well, it's crashed, but those are some of the things we have to work out. Let's see what. Had some errors. It didn't quite complete the last C in Linux CNC. Well, there we are. The only thing I haven't shown is I do have the 4th axis, which we'll have to work out how to set that up with the cabling, but I can demonstrate that the A axis actually turns. I'm not sure what a home position would be for this, maybe 0 angle. But now the big adventure starts with learning how to actually program, make sure everything's running right, chip load per tooth and all those good things to try to get this running. But that's a quick update. It is my, tonight is, as I'm filming this, is my 60th birthday. And I've been celebrating since yesterday. I guess that's a big milestone for me. I never really thought about how old I would get. So, and I hope to see a bunch of you at the bash. I am going this year, and got to get ready and bring some extra stuff that I've acquired over the years. I've been in the hobby for really about 30 years, and somehow you acquire just extra stuff along the way. So, have fun, and hopefully we'll see a bunch of you at the bash. Thanks again.